Mainz is a place you should definitely plan to visit. This is a city of rich cultural heritage with roots that date back millennia in which you could lose yourself even just for a day exploring. Mainz is the capital and the largest city of the German state of Rhineland-Palatinate. It is located in the northern end of the Upper Rhine Plain. Mainz is also the home of the man identified by Time magazine as the most important individual in the last millennium, Johannes Gutenberg, who most Westerners regard to be the inventor of the movable type printing press. In the early 1450s, he manufactured his first books in the city, including the Gutenberg Bibles, two of which are kept at the city's Gutenberg Museum. Mainz was heavily damaged in World War II. More than 30 air raids destroyed around half of the old town in the city center, but many buildings were rebuilt post-war. Large cities with many people tend to be centers of culture and identity, but they suffered the most wartime destruction. Mainz is a unique city in Germany because it offers a strong cultural identity and a reason for tourists to visit. Along with its culinary delights, nature, and a very special attitude to life, there is a lot to discover and experience in and around Mainz. The inner city is easy to navigate on foot, and the old town is within walking distance from the main train station. Whether you are in Mainz for a day or many, it's impossible to miss the Marktplatz. The picturesque Marktplatz is in front of the Mainz Cathedral. Mainz Cathedral, for example, is one of the three Rhinish imperial cathedrals along with Speyer Cathedral and Worms Cathedral. For more than 1,000 years, the city's skyline has been dominated by one building, Mainz Cathedral, one of the most important religious buildings in Germany, for which the foundation stone was laid in around 975 AD. In its shadows lie the medieval and early modern districts of Mainz. At the Marktplatz, a weekly market is held there 3 times per week. You will find variety of produce and delicacies that locals sell during the day. Weekly markets in Germany are a feast for the senses, so it's one thing that you should not miss. It is worth to experience the hustle and bustle centers around the twisting narrow alleys and the small shops, boutiques, and cafes. Mainz is an important city, and the proof is reflected in both the cityscape and its local identity. One of the best places to experience the past with all of your senses is the lovingly restored Old Town, which is brimming with authentic atmosphere. With its cobblestone alleys between the neat, half-timbered houses, provide ample space for all kinds of curious town stories and architectural work. In addition, there are also plenty of traditional shops and places to eat. Shopping is also huge in Mainz. A huge part of the Old Town zone has been given over to pedestrians for this. It's definitely a fine place to stroll. The Kaufhof Galleria, for example, is a department store. There can be found a nifty cafeteria on the top floor with big windows that look out over the rooftop of the cathedral. There are plenty of food to choose from, and it's a great spot for just hanging out and enjoy the view. The almost 5.5-kilometer long Mainz Rhine promenade has a Mediterranean flair. There is enough space here to stroll into the sunset, enjoy a good wine on the sunbathing lawns, and marvel at the small boats and large ships as they pass by. The combination of cultural and historical aspects makes Mainz an impressive destination for exploring the Rhineland. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!